Okay, so this is going to be the final video. We're going to configure switching or telnet access from the switches. So I went ahead and labeled. I put all the IP addresses on the different switches, and I set up this switch. So we'll go up and set these other two switches up. Okay, so here we can see 192.168.99.202. So we're gonna go and type these commands. 1 second. So here we go. We're going to create an SVI for that switch. This is going to be phase 8. Create an SVI for that switch here. Type ELAN VLAN 99, add the telnet password, line VTY015, password Cisco, login. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Go ahead and enter for these last two switches here. Again, conf t, VLAN 99, IP address 192.168.99.202, 255.255.255.0, and then we're going to type line VTY015, password Cisco, login, exit, okay, exit, and we're done with that switch. And let's do this switch. One last, this is .203, okay, and conf t, int VLAN 99, okay, we're pretty much putting an SVI on it, 192.99.203.255.255.255.0. Okay, so now the SVI is all set up, and then we'll configure telnet access, line conf t, line VTY015, password will be Cisco, and then last part we're gonna type login, exit. And now let's just check that we're able to connect to these things from the multi-layer switch. So we'll type ping 192.168.99.202. Okay. So we should be able to ping it. Yep, we can ping it. And let's type .203. And we should be able to ping that as well. Okay. So now we can ping both switches from the multi-layer switch. It means we can manage these switches just from one place. And we have now they all have IP addresses, even if they're layer 2 devices. So now we're going to type conf t for en. Oops. Oh, I'm on a different switch right now. So I was on a different switch. Okay, so I was on the 201 switch. Let's type en, exit. Okay, exit. Okay, now we're back on our normal switch. We're back on the MLS. So we're going to type telnet 192.168.99.202. Okay, mem, Cisco. So now we're actually on show, question mark. We're actually now on the .202 switch. Let's type show IP. Oh wait, show users. So it says we have one connection from this which is the SVI on the multi-layer switch. See, show session. No connections open. Show VLAN, I guess. So this is all the VLANs active on that switch. And just show question mark will just give you everything you can check without having to physically walk to that switch. So you really want to do configure telnet so that you can access these switches from wherever you are, whatever PC. But check this out, which is pretty cool. If you try to ping them from something like this thing is in VLAN 10, it's not gonna work, right? So let's go try from VLAN 10, ping 192.168.99.1. You're not going to be able to, which is really good because that adds the security you need. But if we go to computer on the VLAN 99 network, like our DNS server, and we type ping 192.168.99.201, we should be able to get a reply back. Or should we? Maybe. There. So since we're on the same VLAN, we're able to get a reply back. Let's type 192.168.99.201. Cisco. So say you're from your PC you'll be able to access the switch as well, right? So, at least not just from the switches, just for any computer on the 99 VLAN, you'll be able to access these switches. Okie dokes. So I hope this is the end of our videos, and that's it. Bye bye.